In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Chromecast with Google TV. So if you're having this YouTube can't connect error or any other problem with the YouTube app on your Chromecast with Google TV, take for instance the YouTube app is not opening or the app keeps crashing, or you're having the problem where the YouTube app actually opens up but it is unable to load videos for you to watch on your Chromecast with Google TV, in this tutorial I'm going to give you 3 solutions that will definitely help you fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Chromecast with Google TV or any other problem that you might be having with the YouTube app on your Chromecast with Google TV. Quickly, for the first solution, what you just want to do is to go ahead and hard restart your Chromecast with Google TV. For this, you basically just want to go ahead and turn off your Chromecast with Google TV. So press on the power button to turn it off, and once this is done, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. So head over to the wall socket where your TV is connected to and then just unplug it, then wait for about 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, you want to go back and plug back your TV to the wall socket and then proceed to turn on your TV now. This time, before you proceed to connect your Chromecast with Google TV to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, you want to make sure that there is actually internet access on your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. You can go ahead and connect other devices to your Wi-Fi just to be sure that there is actually internet access, or just restart your Wi-Fi and then go ahead to connect your Chromecast with Google TV to your Wi-Fi network. And once all of this is done and your Chromecast with Google TV is now connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app one more time on your Chromecast with Google TV. And trust me, this will most likely fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now or any other problem that you might be having with the YouTube app on your Chromecast with Google TV. But if after trying the first solution you're still facing the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Chromecast with Google TV, or the YouTube app is still crashing, or videos on the YouTube app are still not loading, my second solution that will definitely work out for most of you to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now or any other problem is to go ahead and make sure that the date and time on your Chromecast with Google TV is actually correct and exactly the same as the date and time of your router or your Wi-Fi network. To do this, you basically just want to head over to the settings. So from the home of your Chromecast with Google TV, head over to the settings of your Chromecast with Google TV, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the system settings over here, select it, and then come over to the date and time settings over here. At this point, you want to make sure that automatic date and time is not turned off. So make sure that it is set to use network provided time, or in some Chromecast with Google TV you're going to see the auto synchronization option. But most importantly, you want to make sure that automatic date and time is not turned off. After this is done, you want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. So come over to your internet and network settings and then just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on. Allow the TV to search for your Wi-Fi network now and then just go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi network. And once it is connected, you can try opening up the YouTube app one more time on your Chromecast with Google TV, then just click on the try again option. And as you can see over here, mine actually works pretty well without any issue. But if after trying this you're still faced with the issue of YouTube can't connect right now, or the YouTube app keeps crashing, or it is not loading or opening, another solution is to just go ahead and clear the cache of the YouTube app on your Chromecast with Google TV. To do this, you basically just want to head over to the settings one more time. So come over to the settings icon over here, click on settings, and then you want to scroll down from the settings to the apps section, select apps, and then click on see all apps over here. Now this is going to load all of the apps on your Chromecast with Google TV, and at this point you just want to continuously scroll down until you get to the YouTube app. You can literally see mine over here. So select YouTube and then just make sure you clear the cache option. So click on clear cache and click on OK, and then you also want to make sure you clear data. This will actually log you out of the YouTube app on your Chromecast with Google TV, but trust me, it will work out well for you. So click on clear data, and then at this time you want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on. Also proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and you want to now open up the YouTube app. And trust me, again, this will most likely fix the issue of YouTube crashing or not opening, or any problem that might be stopping the YouTube app from working on your Chromecast with Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.